MSTest Core, it adds two NUget packages, MSTest Adapter and MSTest Framework, MSTest V2, MSTest.NET Framework, same as above. NUnit. It also adds two NUget packages, NUnit Adapter and NUnit Framework. CodedUI Test, however, use only a reference for test attributes, i.e. Microsoft.Visual Studio.QualityTools.Unit Test Framework. Same was used by MSTest older version. The .NET Core Command Line Interface, CLI, is a cross-platform toolchain for developing, building, running, and publishing .NET Core applications. Compiling is done at any time the compiler is involved in translating programming language code to machine code. A compiler is a computer program, or set of programs, that transforms source code written in a programming language, the source language, into another computer language, the target language, often having a binary form known as object code. Linking is the act of combining object code with libraries into a raw executable. Building is the sequence composed of compiling and linking, with possibly other tasks, such as installer creation. Many compilers handle the linking step automatically after compiling source code. Compile time errors, errors that occur when you violate the rules of writing syntax, are known as compile time errors. Most frequent compile time errors are missing parenthesis, printing the value of variable without declaring it, missing semicolon, terminator, runtime errors, errors which occur during program execution, runtime, after successful compilation are called runtime errors. One of the most common runtime error is division by zero, also known as division error. Using index in array for a location, which is not present, etc. Go to the location where MS-Build is kept. MS-Build can be used using command prompt /program files, x86, /Microsoft Visual Studio /2017 /Enterprise /MS-Build /15.0 bin /AMD64 MS-Build.exe /users /Kracle /desktop /others /r&d /temp white space API /consoleapp1 consoleapp1.sln. Write a unit test in any framework and build the solution using Visual Studio or MS-Build. Launch developer command prompt. Go to path where vsds.console.exe is present. Now execute below command pointing to the project.dll. Can use filters to run by category or method name, etc. /program files, x86, /Microsoft Visual Studio /2017 /Enterprise /common 7 /IDE /common extensions /Microsoft /test windows test.console.exe /users /Kracle /desktop /others /r&d /temp API /consoleapp1 first unit test bin /debug netcarapp 2.1 first unit test.dllc program files x86 Microsoft Visual Studio /2017 Enterprise common 7 IDE common extensions Microsoft test windows test.console.exe users Kracle desktop others r&d temp API consoleapp1 first unit test bin debug netcarapp 2.1 first unit test.dll/tests test method 1. Debug includes debug information in the compiled files, allowing easy debugging, while release usually has optimizations enabled. The operator is the null conditional operator or Elvis operator and is new to C number 6. It allows you to call methods and access members just like the standard dot operator, except that if the operand on the left is null, the expression evaluates to null instead of throwing a null reference exception. System.text.string builder SB equals null, string S equals SB. To string, / no error, S instead evaluates to null. The last line is equivalent to string S equals SB equals null. Null, SB to string. From C number 6, You can import not just a namespace, but a specific type, with the using static directive. All static members of that type can then be used without being qualified with the type name. In the following example, we call the console class's static writeLine method, using static system.console, class test, static void main, writeLine, hello. If the same type name appears in both an inner and an outer namespace, the inner name wins. To refer to the type in the outer namespace, you must qualify its name. For example, namespace outer, class foo, name, class foo, class test, foo f1, / equals outer.inner.foo, outer.foo f2, / equals outer.foo.